Hi guys, this is Samara Vic. Obviously, lockdown makes you do things that you've never thought you'll do. I've always had an interest towards makeup and beauty and fashion, but something I never hesitated, but something I never thought of pursuing or going towards. But yeah, here I am. So yes, I finally decided to do something like this, and here I am. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to do a basic makeup look, like a no makeup look, like something you can put on every day for college, or maybe some people they go to school and they put on makeup, so something like that. So we're gonna start. So the first step is applying a primer or a moisturizer. I have oily acne prone skin, so I use this Avene Cleanse Matte moisturizer. It is my dermatologist recommended and it's really good. It's gel based, so I'm gonna start applying it on my face. I'm gonna take it on my back of my hand. Just 2-3 drops will be sufficient. Anybody who has oily acne prone skin, I highly recommend this moisturizer. It's very thin, it's gel based, it's really good for oily skin. Now we're gonna step in for putting our foundation. I'm using this Smashbox foundation. I've been using this since few months and I'm actually really liking it. As we're doing a very natural look, so we're gonna just go for 2-3 drops, not more than that. Actually, not 2-3, just 2 drops, because we don't want a very heavy gaudy look. So I'm gonna start applying this. Actually, I'm just taking. Okay, so I've applied the foundation. I'm using this Real Techniques foundation brush to smudge it, and then I'm gonna go for a beauty blender if it's not smudged well, because this often happens with the brush. I'm just laughing because it's the first time I'm doing it ever. This is actually a really good foundation. It's the right amount of cover. Always smudge it downwards. Keep on blending it. The difference between a beauty blender. Okay, I think it has blended well. So I'm just gonna take a beauty blender now to just dab on it once again so that it's all blended. You can see how good this foundation is. It's actually really very good. Okay, now I'm done with this. I'm gonna jump in for my concealer. I'm using this Maybelline concealer. It's actually really good. It's almost finished, so I think I won't be able to apply much, but we don't need so much also. After 1,000 trials, I've already almost taken it out, but it's not much. You can see it's hardly getting applied. So you can put it in a triangle shape. I don't need much of it because, touchwood, I don't have dark circles. Oh my god. I can't believe this. Okay guys, I broke my concealer, so I just blended my concealer now. So now I'm done with my concealer. I'm gonna put some setting powder. First, I'll show you guys. I'm using NYX HD loose powder. I'm taking very less amount of it, very little. You don't need much. Okay, now I'm gonna let it set for a minute. After that, we're gonna jump into putting our blush. Okay, so this is my NYX blush palette. I'm gonna go with the lightest shade of pink because we need a very natural look, not something very gaudy. So I'm gonna go with this one. This is the lightest shade of pink, and this has a bit of shimmer in it, but it's not very gaudy. So this is something which will go. I'm again using a Real Techniques blush brush. Go till you need to apply it on the apples of your cheeks, and you need to go till the end. I don't know why it's not. See, it's very light. It's a very good blush palette. Now, on the other cheeks, I like to apply a bit on my nose as well. So it just gives a very continuous and good look. Apply mascara to my eyes. This is L'Oreal Flash Lash Superstar Mascara. So it has two sides. One has a white colored primer. No, this is not the primer. This is the primer. So we're gonna hop on with the primer first. This is how it looks. I'm putting the primer first. If you don't want our eyelashes to look very big, so Now we're gonna put the mascara. This is how the look. This is the brush. It's a very good mascara. Gives you really long eyelashes. Now we're on to the last and final step. I'm gonna apply a nice lip gloss. So I don't want my lips to look very gaudy because I want it to be all natural. I'm gonna mix two shades honestly. So I have this NYX shade SVLG in 03. So I'm gonna apply very less of this one because it is a heavy brown color. So now I'm going to smudge this like this. Just apply it on your lower lip. And now this is NYX. Shade is SMLC 58 San Francisco. This is a pink shade. I love this shade. So I'm going to mix it with the brown color to give it a brownish pink shade. Oops. Okay guys, so this is the final makeup look. This is how it looks. And thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you guys really like it. And drop your comments, and if any suggestions you want to give me, I would really appreciate it. And stay tuned. Please follow me, like this video, comment, and stay tuned for another video. Thank you.